Okay, so you're trying to learn how to create that effect with Midjourney, and you've been going through a lot of videos. Well, don't worry no more. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. I'm going to bring in my pictures. I brought in my pictures inside of my Adobe Premiere. You can use any other one. It's still the same thing. With this trick, it's absolutely simple to accomplish it. So what do you have to do? Basically, you bring in all your pictures. You put in one by one, which I've done. That's number one, that's number two, that's number three. But how did I get there? And I'm going to show you guys. So basically, you just put in your picture there, and here what the trick is. Sure, see who can see it right there. What is it? You're going to start off with 240, the scale. You have to increase it to, here's what's very, very important. Not just important for you to subscribe to this channel, what you're going to do, but the most important thing here it is. You need to put in 240. This is very important. So all you have to do is put in the scale to 240, and you're going to drop it down to the next picture. You're going to drop it down to 120. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. Then you go into each one of those other pictures, and you do exactly the same thing. That's it. There's nothing more. There's nothing less. So you can go ahead and accomplish this. Just go ahead and thank me, put a good comment, and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Until next time, every day.